name is Judith. I joined Awesome Art School October 2021. Yeah, the invitation to join Karen for 5 days to draw a picture and paint it and do some collaging, and we did the ceiling, and it was so much fun that I was completely stunned that I finished this beautiful girl in 5 days. And I want you to know the reason I am so surprised that I did that is because this is how I was drawing before I started Awesome Art School. Oh, I was trying to draw a girl for my grandson. And yes, this is her face and this is her hair. Yeah, and I had a very bad habit. Every time I drew something, I would scratch it out. I stopped doing that when I joined Awesome Art School. Every time I made a mistake, I thought about this. I learned that it's not a mistake. Karen kept quoting Bob Ross and said, "It's a happy accident." Like, my mistake is a happy accident? I love it. I'm going to not scratch out my mistakes anymore. I kept on drawing with Karen. I joined the Wonder Bundle Club. And in the Wonder Bundle Club, we're doing fun things. I'm going to show you. Wonder Bundle means you are in 3 clubs. So this would be a mixed media club. Here's my girl from mixed media. And she's in the steampunk class. If you like steampunk, you gotta do this. It's so cool. If you like mixed media, well, we are doing something fun. I'm going to show you that last. And there's also a club called Celtic Collective. This is my fairy. She's pretty. I know. I love her. Lucy does fairies and fantasy art and some scary stuff that I probably would never do, but hey, it's not like I'm not afraid of scary stuff. Mixed media is my heart. And the latest mixed media is a pizza box journal where you take a box, or I couldn't do with the box. I did a book, an old book from 30 years ago. I found this book. And with Karen online, you will do something gigantic, like my big boy. Isn't he cute? I love him. This is also Pizza Box Journal. She was supposed to be a painting. And I was making happy accidents. And so this is what happened with my happy accident. I wasn't painting her very well, but I didn't scratch her off. I just dressed her up in a pretty dress with my fabric. I made her a cute hat, like her hat. I want a hat like that. But this is so much fun. This is a once a month. You get to do a mixed media project in your Pizza Box Journal. This is a blank page. I love y'all. You gotta join. If you don't know how to draw, listen. I knew nothing about drawing. And I learned in Awesome Art School with a very happy person that I enjoy. I enjoy being with Karen and Lucy and Brian, and there's lots of help from Jeanette and Marco. You won't be alone. And you know, you're going to feel scared sometimes or terrified. I was scared and terrified. But following Karen step by step, and if I missed it, I could always rewind it and do it again. I'm a very happy person. Thank you for having me at Awesome Art School. I am going to be your favorite cheerleader. I hope when I see the work of all the women in the community I get so excited. I feel like a child, and I'm going to the park, and in the playground I'm going to see all my friends, and my playground is also in art school, and I just have fun. I have so much fun. Thank you, Karen. Thank you, all the fun ladies that are joined into this community. You are all my favorite people now. Have a great day.